sing some songs in the Watershed? Let's go. Hey there, how's it going? My name's Etienne. I'm a local artist from Coquitlam, and thank you for joining me for this outdoor concert. I'm performing in the beautiful Colony Farms right now in the Coquitlam Watershed. This first song that I'm going to play for you is a tune that I wrote called Courtney Shorelines, and it's my ode to BC and how beautiful this province is. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Alrighty, for my next song, this is a tune that I wrote for a dear friend of mine, and it's a song about kind of figuring out where you want to go and where you want to be in life. And yeah, this song is called Where She Belongs. Like the tides that wash upon this bay. She sat in the sand with a book in her hand, dreaming of a better day. This big city is too small for the heart of an island girl. Strong, yeah, you'd never catch her in the buzz and the hustle of these sleepless roads. Where she belongs, she knows. Leaning back beneath the willow tree, together they weep, while tears dried from her azure eyes in the crisp fall ocean breeze. This big city is too small for the heart of an island girl. Strong, yeah, you'd never catch her in the buzz and the hustle of these sleepless roads. Where she belongs, she knows. Yeah, she knows. Well, she loves different things in life than the allure of Granville Lights. Nothing could ever be as sweet as bears from her papa's homegrown trees. Her values are firmly planted like island evergreens. So settle down. When can she take familiar steps back to her hometown? Back to her hometown. All right, for my next song, this is a single that I released in November, and another song on my EP. This song is called Better Days Ahead, and it's about kind of walking through the path of life and going through challenges and just being surrounded by good people, and they kind of pick you up and help you to remember what you have inside you. So this is for anybody that's going through a challenging time right now. So be the spark that feeds a flame and feel it burn within your veins, incinerating doubt and dark. The cloud that cause waves of love and light through your heart. When you are lost and cannot find your way, when the moon fails to pierce clouds of gray, I'll carry you when times get tough, my friend. Forget the other stuff I'll say. Leaning closer to me now, and hear me when I say, oh, you will see, my friend, in time. Darkest clouds are silver light. Lift your head, don't drop your gaze. Embrace this breeze that leads you on to better days. So no matter how bad your broken bridges burn, your misled heart will heal in time to reveal many lessons learned. So take those broken shards and make a masterpiece, mosaic in your mind. Learn to love yourself again. You're designed to shine. So be the spark that feeds a flame and feel it burn within your veins, incinerating doubt and dark. The cloud that cause waves of love and light through your heart. This next tune is a song called Wild Man, and it's a song about how not to deal with a relationship when it's going south. There's another tune off my EP. Hope you enjoy it. In the Squamish Mountains, there's a tale they say that hunter's two-time and wife was shot yesterday. Ain't no doubt who did it, that stone-hearted man she waited. Pull the trigger, smoke and thunder, she's lying 6 feet under. Oh, she's lying. Now he's on the run, click-clack down the railroad tracks. City as a train he goes, yeah, running from the rain he knows, yeah, running from the pain it shows. 'Cause he's a born-bred killer, he's a God-forsaken sinner, he's a wild man, he's a wild man, yeah. Said you better run, you better leave this town. Got a blood trail, they gonna catch you with these hounds. Warren Main and matted here, his blackened beard untamed. His frigid stack of beards are so roaring like a flame. Now he's on the run, on the run, click clack down the railroad track. City is a train goes, yeah, running from the rain goes, yeah, running from the painted shore. He's a born-bred killer, he's a God-forsaken sinner, he's a wild man, he's a wild man, he's a born-bred killer, he's a God-forsaken sinner, he's a wild man, he's a wild man. Is there any room in heaven for a wild man, for a broken man, for a killer, for a sinner, for a dead man? This next tune is a track off of my EP called Better Man. Sitting with a girl having drinks and I'm laughing, but I'm looking straight through her eyes and I'm seeing you in my mind. Now I'm trying to erase you from those romantic places that you and I walk through together at night. Ooh, oh, come back to me. Maybe you'll see I was a better man than you ever thought I could be. Can't you see, you treated me right, but my heart was just not ready, just not ready, yeah. So I took a long ride to the sands of Tofino, my brother by my side. I had high hopes that open sky and firelight bring to me the answers that kept me up at night. Ooh, oh, come back to me. Maybe you'll see I was a better man than you ever thought I could be. Ooh, oh, Ed, can't you see? You treated me right, but my heart was just not ready, just not ready. The pines look towards a charcoal sky. Between the crashing waves I realized perhaps I'd met the right girl. The right girl at the wrong time. Ooh, oh, come back to me. Maybe you'll see I was a better man than you ever thought I could be. Ooh, oh, Ed, can't you see? You treated me right, but my heart was just not ready, just not ready, Thank you. Alrighty, this next tune is a song about a farmer who's sick and tired of working, and Ray's about to give up hope. He sees this beautiful woman, and it's the interaction between the two of them. This song is called "She's the One for Me." I could feel the sweat dripping from my brow, breaking my back, pushing that damn plow. Look to the heavens and yell, this feels like hell. So I parted my lips just to cuss and scream, while my eyes they to rush just beyond my feet to the prettiest thing I ever did see. Like a whiskey on the rocks on a mid-August day, this fine young female, who I must say stole a glance at me, cut through my soul. Oh, she's the one for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so hard, can't clearly see, yeah. So I grabbed my jaw from off the floor. Suddenly my aching bones didn't feel so sore. Told my shaking boots and stones gotta roll, yeah. Made my way through the barley in my field to the thicket just across the stream to the wishing well where she did lean. When I tried to bar my lips, oh, my tongue did twist and tumble words just fell right out of my mouth. Oh, she's the one for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, so I can clearly see, yeah. She just looked at me and smiled so sweet. Boy, you are braver than you seem. So you're working so hard in your field. Wondering when my man would come to me. Dare not cross that stream because my shy nature's been gripping me. Oh, she's the one for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, so I can clearly see, yeah. Then she grabbed my hand and kissed my cheek, led me down to the old chestnut tree, and asked the night, would you count the stars with me? So we sat there on a bailey fay, watching daylight fade away, and well, the rest is history, yeah. Oh, she's the one for me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, so hard, can clearly see, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Alrighty, this next song that I'm going to play for you is called Heaven in the Ground, and it's about sometimes we look around and we see people and they're at the high of highs and they seem like they have everything together, and then sometimes we feel like we don't really have everything together, and sometimes we're floating in between, and that's sort of what this song is about, because we all go through it, and It's just kind of the ebb and flow of life. So this, hope you enjoy this one. February blows her winter winds around me. She breathes the icy mist from snow-capped mountain pines. Here I'm wondering what awaits ahead in life for me, and I've never felt so confused before. I've never felt so confused before. Seems like everyone around me knows just where to look to find a job that pays the bills and a companion to start a book that outlines the greatest chapters amongst the tears and laughter in their life. But the more I ask around, I find that most people are somewhere between heaven and the ground, and that makes it a little more okay to feel a bit like I have lost my way. Maybe you are feeling the same, and that's okay. Here I am, sitting on everything I thought I'd need. Pieces would fall into place once I finished my degree. Oh, how silly I was to think life works in such a way, when my journey's just beginning. A new mountain every day, a new mountain every day. But the more I ask around, I find that most people are somewhere between heaven and the ground, and that makes it a little more okay to feel a bit like I have lost my way. Maybe you are feeling the same, and that's okay. Yes, the more I ask around, I find that most people are somewhere between heaven and the ground, and that makes it a little more okay to feel a bit like I have lost my way. Maybe you are feeling the same, and that's okay. It's okay, people. This is another original called Starlight Girl, and the idea is that there's some wonderful partner that's walking through the stars, making their way to you, and they're doing whatever they're doing in the universe, but eventually a good person's gonna make their way to you. So that's kind of what this tune is about.
Well, the sun won't shine and the moon
this tune that I wrote is called The Hurricane Rider, and I wrote this song when I was on tour on the Sunshine Coast. I booked my first tour. I left my job to be a musician, and it's the scariest thing I've ever done in my life, and had a lot of doubt kind of going on in my mind, and as I was touring the Sunshine Coast, I wrote this song, and this is a tune for all musicians, because I know you've all been there, and just anybody that's taking a leap in life and doing something that they're scared to do, or so that's kind of the idea about this song, and what my music embodies, I guess, as an artist. Gave my 2 weeks notice to a stable job at home. Packed my bag, then I hit the road, drove to the unknown, yeah. First stop on this trip of mine was a winding Sunshine Coast, where I booked myself a couple gigs to cover food and gas at most. Like a drifter riding on his dream, fear bites hard upon his heels, he'll make it but he bleeds. Like a rider upon a trusted steed, he only chases hurricanes to find the man he's meant to be, yeah. Check myself into a room with my guitar and close my eyes, trying to silence a flood of doubt that fights within my mind. All alone and miles from home, I'll step up on that stage. Starlight shines through my darkest thoughts when my gaze lands across David's Bay. Like a drifter riding on his dream, fear bites hard upon his heels, he'll make it but he bleeds. Like a rider upon a trusted steed, he only chases hurricanes to find the man he's meant to be, yeah. Through the day and night he rides with stories on his tongue. Speak of hurt, love, loss, and pain to spirits old and young. Tells these stories from his soul, they pour like West Coast rain, to help them find their way like he once did, through his own pain. He rides for those who wish they could, he rides for those who can't. He rides for those too scared to move, he rides to make a stand. But he rides the hardest for himself, he's scared of what could be. If the fear within his heart would win, and he never found the man he's meant to be. Well, thank you so much for listening. I had an awesome time performing for you all, sharing my original music with you, and I hope you enjoyed those stories and those songs. And hope to see you all soon, and thank you again to the Coquitlam Watershed and everybody for having me on to do this. I really appreciate it. Cheers.